Shahrukh ka ye next 1 year seems to be a good phase, but then again it would drop. It seems that Shahrukh could be dropping his old friends and make new friends. Priyanka don't seem to have another good year ahead in 2013. This year will be a turning point in her life. Ranbir and Deepika will come together. Katrina may enter a new relationship. Karina's career may drop. Either Katrina or Deepika Padukone will be in the race to take over that space.
आज पेज 3 में हम न्यूमरोलॉजी के जरिए आपको दिखाएंगे कि इस दिवाली के बाद कौन करेगा अपने फैंस को दीवाना और किसका निकलेगा दीवाला. Over to this prediction special with Simi Chandok.
Hey Suketu, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
सुकेतु, मेरे को पता है कि आप न्यूमरोलॉजी तो करते हैं, ये हमारे व्यूअर्स भी आपको शायद पहचानते होंगे फ्रॉम माय शो लकीर के फ़कीर, बट आप पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन के भी एक्सपर्ट हैं. बट इस वक्त मैं यहाँ पर पास्ट नहीं लेकिन इमीडिएट फ्यूचर की बात करना चाहती हूँ हमारे स्टार्स की. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद शाहरुख खान. तो आपको क्या लग रहा है शाहरुख खान का आगे टाइम कैसे आने वाला है, द नेक्स्ट 6 to 8 months or a year?
Shahrukh ka ye next 1 year seems to be a good phase.
Okay.
But then again it would drop. And it seems that Shahrukh could be dropping his old friends and make new friends to move on.
What about
but he has some, I also see some health issues in his case.
तो सुकेतु, I don't know if you can specify that, but शाहरुख अपने फीमेल फ्रेंड्स को ड्रॉप करेंगे मेल फ्रेंड्स को?
ऐसा है कि when you're referring to female friends, I mean one of the names that comes to my mind is Priyanka.
Yes.
And Priyanka's life is in a major turmoil on emotional front.
सुकेतु, आपने प्रियंका की बात जब की है तो यहाँ पे मैं आपको इंटरप्ट करना चाहूंगी क्योंकि जो मेरा शो था लकीर के फ़कीर उसमें आपने ये प्रेडिक्शन दी थी 2 साल पहले, सो दैट शी इज गोइंग टू गो थ्रू एन इमोशनली अनस्टेबल पीरियड. आई वांट टू शो आवर व्यूअर्स व्हेन यू हैव एक्चुअली सेड दैट एंड दैट इज 2 years ago. आई एम मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन प्रियंका's career. You know, she's attractive, she's hot, she's sexy, you know, she has all the right projects and in spite of that कहीं कुछ ठंडा पड़ा हुआ है. What do you think is the reason?
She's right. This is the first year of a cycle which she's entering the negative spin. And next couple of years I think are going to be very slow for her, and I don't think she could deliver any hit or any big film. She's an aggressive person, you see. So she's into aggressive depression. Priyanka don't seem to have another good year ahead in 2013. I see this year will be a turning point in her life. She will also get into some new relationships.
Okay.
Which may be positive and fruitful for her or maybe extremely negative. As far as her career is concerned, I think she has another waiting period.
Oh, she has another waiting period because आपने ये भी कहा था कि उनकी मूवीज नहीं चलेंगी. And of course, Dawn 2 was average, and then Agnipath was a big hit, but that was really Hrithik Roshan's movie. Yes. It was not so much Priyanka, but she has had Barfi, which has been completely appreciated. Yeah. But that's about it. So it's not been a very great year. उनके डैड भी थोड़े से बीमार रहे हैं, and with all the kind of you know the so-called Bollywood wives attacking her and everything, it's not been a very easy year for Priyanka. तो आप ये कह रहे हैं कि ये struggle.
It's not going to get better.
Okay, not for some time until you think if there's a chance of her meeting somebody and starting a new relationship.
Yes.
सुकेतु, अगर हम रिलेशनशिप्स की बात कर रहे हैं तो सैफ और करीना की अभी शादी हुई है. उनके करियर के बारे आप हमें कुछ बताइए.
Saif Ali's career in 2013 seems to be rising very high.
Really?
He'll be riding a very good crest.
Okay.
And Karina's career may drop. And if Karina's career drops, it is either Katrina or Deepika Padukone will be in the race to take over that space.
तो आपका मतलब है कि शायद करीना will be out of this race. Probably it's a change of priorities for her. Probably she's enjoying her marital bliss, or the fact that she is probably very lucky as a wife for Saif and his career is going to go up.
If you look at it technically in terms of numerology, Kareena is number 3, and this is the 3rd year for Saif Ali. So the Jupiter is going to play a very big role. Okay. So the strength of Kareena's Jupiter will be definitely enhancing the career of Saif.
Okay.
But her personal career, in terms of her work, I see a slight down.
आप कह रहे हैं कि अगर करीना आउट होती है ये रैट रेस में से तो it is then the competition is between Katrina and Deepika Padukone to be number 1.
Yes, and I think Katrina has an edge over Deepika.
Why is that? Is it because Salman is still on top?
Katrina may enter a new relationship.
Wow, that is interesting. Is it somebody she's been with before?
No, I think it's a new relationship that she would get into.
आई थिंक ये सुन के यहाँ पर दीपिका पादुकोण और रणबीर कपूर के बहुत सारे फैंस हैं. वन ऑफ देम इज़ माई प्रोड्यूसर एंड बहुत सारे लोग ये सुन के खुश होंगे कि शी विल नॉट गो बैक टू रणबीर बिकॉज आजकल इनफैक्ट इवन जूम में काफ़ी चर्चा होती है कि विल रणबीर एंड दीपिका गेट बैक टुगेदर. जहाँ पे भी मैं बाहर भी जाती हूँ पार्टीज में सब यही सवाल पूछते हैं एंड आई एम लाइक आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स गोइंग टू हैपन बिटवीन देम.
As per my calculations, Ranbir and Deepika will come together.
तो उनका रोमांस रिकिंडल होगा.
Yes, उनका romance rekindle होगा. As per the stars of Ranbir, it is very likely that old relationships come back to his life.
Okay.
And then in that case, since Katrina is moving on to a new relationship, Deepika Padukone coming back in Ranbir's life.
And Priyanka seems to be out of the scene because you are saying Priyanka might start a new relationship. So
Priyanka is going to go through a further emotional turmoil.
Okay.
Whether she gets into another relationship or not, it's nothing going to be significant for her at this point of time.
और अब विद्या बालन के रूमर्स आ रहे हैं कि वो शादी करने वाली हैं. तो विद्या का करियर तो इज राइट नाउ एब्सोल्युटली इन द बेस्ट ऑफ शेप. तो उनकी शादी होने वाली है, क्या होने वाला?
Emotional consolidation for sure.
Okay.
So it can materialize into what she wants, because she decides what she wants in her life. So
And what about her career?
a career graph maybe a little slow in 2013, but I think she's a brilliant actor.
हमने बॉलीवुड की बात तो कर ली है, लेकिन एक क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे बॉलीवुड से कनेक्टेड नहीं है, बट ही इज वन ऑफ आवर फेवरेट्स. व्हाट अबाउट सचिन तेंदुलकर? आजकल बहुत सारी स्पेकुलेशन चल रही है जहाँ उनसे भी पूछा जा रहा है और वो खुद कह रहे हैं कि वो कंफ्यूज्ड हैं कि वो रिटायर होंगे या नहीं. व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से?
Sachin Tendulkar will hang his boots in February 2013. One warning that I would like to give him is that he should guard his old injuries.
So Ketu, thank you for so many big patakas here, and I'm looking forward to seeing you here again soon in the Zoom studio.
Pleasure's mine. Thank you.
Hey, welcome to Page 3, Vikas.
Thank you, Simi. Thank you so.
तो ये बताइए, how did this song happen इतने सालों की ब्रेक के बाद?
जैसे कहते हैं कि देर आए दुरुस्त आए, और I couldn't have got a better first song to sing in a film. I turned TV producer. अभी आपने जैसे कहा, pick up, I launched you remember? तो आप Page 3 Extreme जो segment था, so I turned producer, did a little bit of TV production, and but एक मन ही मन, एक दिल ही दिल, एक जो बात थी कि गाना गाना है, तो वो रियाज जारी रहा काफ़ी सालों से. I never stopped my रियाज.
वो रियाज का क्रेडिट हम ले सकते हैं बिकॉज हम जब भी पार्टीज में मिलते हैं, आप वहाँ गाना गाते हो और हमें एंटरटेन करते हो फ्री में, और आपका रियाज हो जाता है.
फ्री में मत बोलो, कैमरा में मत बोलो फ्री में.
नो, बट दैट यू डू इट फॉर योर गुड फ्रेंड्स व्हेन यू आर एट पार्टीज, और सब पार्टीज की रौनक आप ही होते हो जब आप गाना गाते हो.
I love singing, Simi. I just I'm passionate about it. I love it, and I just.
So विकास, ये मूवी है सन ऑफ सरदार. यहाँ पे सन ऑफ सरदार बने हैं अजय देवगन, but I think this song and you getting this song has some connection with Salman Khan.
It has all the connection, not some connection. It has all the connection with Mr. Salman Khan. I owe it to him big time, and मैं इसका पूरा श्रेय, पूरा credit सलमान साहब को ही देना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि he is responsible for it. I went to meet him. It so happened that I had recorded 2 tracks which I went to meet him with, and I was praying कि कहीं उनकी पिक्चर में कहीं वो गाने घुस जाएं और वो गानों के ज़रिए मेरी आवाज़ भी घुस जाए. He heard those tracks and he called up Sajid Wajid and Himesh that see if Vikas can do, I mean, try and use him for my playback and for my voice and see how the voice suits. So I met Himesh after that, and this song was getting done, it was getting recorded. Himesh tried out my voice and 2 दिन rehearse किया मैंने इस गाने को. It was a little high-pitched song, it was not the regular stuff I've done before. And after 2 days, the 3rd day I went into the studio. तीसरे दिन 2 घंटे लगे और
पास हो गए.
पास हो.
एंड अब ये गाना तो आइटम सॉन्ग से भी स्टेप आगे जा चुका है, बिकॉज यहाँ पे वी डोंट हैव वन सुपरस्टार. वी हैव अजय देवगन, वी हैव सलमान खान, एंड वी हैव संजय दत्त, एंड ऑफ कोर्स बेचारी सोनाक्षी भी मुंह से तो कर ही रही हैं. सो दिस इज लाइक अ सुपरस्टार, सुपर हिट सॉन्ग फॉर यू.
Sonakshi is the daughter of a superstar. You know, they say कि I mean, I didn't expect it. I didn't know at that point of time that I thought eventually it's going to be picturized on Mr. Salman Khan. But now when I saw it and I see Ajay Devgan, Sanjay Dutt, Salman Khan, Sonakshi, all of them, I mean, you can't have a better first song in a film. I feel privileged. And
बिल्कुल.
ऊपर से Himesh's music, T-Series promoting it, and so all. I mean, I think it's stars were aligned correctly at the right time.
Completely, I think God was just giving you the right opportunity at the right time.
Absolutely.
But सलमान ने जिस तरह ये गाना सुना होगा live, हम
हाँ.
अपने व्यूअर्स को वैसे ही सुनाएं यहाँ पर.
जी हाँ, definitely. I would love to perform it live for you.
Hey Vikas, that was wonderful.
Thank you so much for having us here, and do watch Son of Sardar and do watch Pom Pom.
Can't wait to do pop pop.
Cheers.
And time now to take a glimpse at the glamorous event of this episode. सनी लियोनी को किसने किया किस और वो लग गई कोई दुल्हन की तरह शर्माने. Who else but designer Rohit Verma at his fashion show, which was sponsored by Samit and Shilpa Shah of Marigold Watches. So let's check out Sushmita Sen, Sunny Leone and many other beautiful models dolled up by Rohit Verma. And now time for another fun event. कादम्बरी लखानी जो कर रही थी प्रमोट एक इंटरनेशनल कॉस्मेटिक ब्रांड को, उन्होंने होस्ट की 2 पार्टीज, 1 ब्रंच एंड 1 डिनर. So let's check it out. This is it for page 3 from me, Simi Chandok, this week. See you again tomorrow, same time, same place, only on Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.